These are the 15 new AI technologies the military's building right now. Number 15. AI is predicting enemy moves before they happen. One of the biggest shifts in military AI is that it's starting to move from reacting to predicting. During the Army's Scarlet Dragon exercises, the Maven Smart System cut a digital target pass from 743 minutes to less than 1 minute. A team of just 20 soldiers processed 1,000 targets per hour, replacing a cell that used to need 2,000 people. In another test, AI also sped up sensor-to-shooter data transmission by nearly 50% during a 7,200-kilometer area scan. Not just faster analysis, that's a whole new tempo. Number 14. AI just flagged over 7,000 potential new worlds. This one sounds like pure space science, but it shows exactly what AI is becoming good at: scanning giant data sets and pulling out what humans would miss. ExoMiner++ flagged 7,000 planet candidates from test data in its first run, after previously confirming 370 exoplanets. Another AI system, Raven, analyzed data from 2.2 million stars, validating 118 new exoplanets, and identified about 2,000 high-quality candidates, nearly 1,000 of them previously unknown. It even found that 9 to 10% of Sun-like stars host close-in planets. Number 13. Autonomous AI weapons are already in active use. This is where things get a lot more serious. In Ukraine, 80 to 85% of frontline targets were reportedly engaged by UAVs, with 215,000 strikes in one summer alone. That shows how fast autonomy is becoming central to modern warfare. And the money behind it's huge too. The loitering munitions market is expected to grow from $1.3 billion in 2025 to $2.5 billion by 2023. Ukraine plans to spend $825 million per year on these systems, and Poland ordered 10,000 Warmate loitering munitions in 2025. Number 12. AI is running cyber warfare in real time. Not every battle's fought with missiles or troops. A lot of it's happening through networks, routers, and connected systems. AI-powered security operations centers now handle 90% of routine triaging, which means humans can focus on the bigger calls. At the same time, global cybersecurity spending is projected to hit $240 billion in 2026, while cybercrime losses could reach $10.5 to $10.8 trillion. AI-generated phishing attacks may boost click-through rates by up to 54%, and IoT attacks are already topping 820,000 a day. Number 11. AI is instantly identifying threats on the battlefield. Another huge leap is how quickly AI can now spot threats during live operations. In Ukraine, AI-powered targeting systems pushed FPV drone strike accuracy from around 30 to 50% up to 80%. Some units also cut the time from detection to destruction to just over 30 seconds by combining satellite imagery, drone feeds, and reports in real time. And the scale is wild, too. Israel's reported AI system, called Gospel, generates more than 100 targets per day, while human officers could identify only around 50 per year. Number 10. The military now has its own private ChatGPT. One of the clearest signs of where this is going is that the military now has its own secure AI workspace. The Pentagon's GenAI.mil platform, which hosts tools like ChatGPT, Grok, and Gemini in a protected environment, reached 1.1 million unique users in just 2 months and is designed for around 3 million DoD personnel. 5 of the 6 military branches already have adopted it, and it's had zero downtime. The Army also used generative AI to update 300,000 personal descriptions in 1 week, saving around 50,000 hours of human work. Number 9. AI is starting to control entire military operations. This is where AI stops looking like a helper and starts looking like an operator. The Air Force's Vista X-62A tested AI agents across 21 test flights, and in early dogfight simulations, AI-controlled F-16s reportedly went 5 for 5 against human pilots. AI also flew the X-62A for more than 17 hours across 12 flight tests, marking the first time AI operated a tactical aircraft like this. And at sea, the unmanned vessel Nomad traveled 4,421 nautical miles while running in autonomous mode for 98% of the trip. Number 8. AI rediscovered entire planetary systems humans missed. This one sounds like science, but the lesson is very military. AI is getting incredibly good at digging through massive datasets and finding what people overlooked. In one case, a neural network trained on 15,000 vetted signals searched 670 star systems. It scanned around 35,000 possible signals and nearly 2 quadrillion possible orbits, then found Kepler 90I, the system's 8th planet, with 96% accuracy. Another model validated 301 exoplanets that human experts had missed. That same pattern-finding ability is exactly what militaries want. Number 7. AI detects explosions and black hole events with near-perfect accuracy. AI is also getting insanely good at spotting rare events fast. One system surveys about 6,000 full moon areas, or roughly 4% of the night sky, every 3 days and flagged a rare supernova within hours. It's already helped discover thousands of cosmic explosions, including dozens caught just hours after detonation. Another AI framework processed 1 month of LIGO data in under 7 minutes and identified 4 binary black hole mergers without misclassifications. That kind of detection speed is exactly why this matters. Number 6. AI found thousands of hidden objects in old space images. This is another area where AI has a huge edge over humans. One NASA system analyzed nearly 100 million image cutouts from the Hubble archive and flagged more than 1,300 anomalies in just 2.5 days. More than 800 of those were previously undocumented objects. Another AI search found 72 additional bursts in a 400 terabyte dataset, raising the known total from 21 to 93. And another system processed radio telescope data 600 times faster. So AI is not just scanning old data faster, it's pulling out discoveries that were sitting there unnoticed the whole time. Number 5. AI can explain space discoveries like a scientist. Finding something's one thing. Explaining it is something else. And that's where AI is getting a lot more impressive. In one case, a large language model was able to classify cosmic transients with around 93% accuracy after seeing just 15 example images. But the bigger deal was it could also explain why it made the call, whether something looked like a supernova, a variable star, or just an artifact. That matters because in real-world operations, raw output is not enough. People need conclusions they can actually understand and act on. Number 4. Mars rovers are choosing their own experiments. This one sounds like space exploration, but the core idea is much bigger. It's about machines making smart decisions on their own when humans are far away. NASA's Aegis software let Mars rovers choose promising rock and soil targets by themselves. And during tests, it corrected the ChemCam laser's focus with 93% accuracy. Another localization system compared rover images with orbital maps, and across 264 stops, figured out the rover's position within about 10 inches, all in roughly 2 minutes. That's the kind of autonomy militaries want in remote, high-risk areas. Number 3. Astro Bee robots navigate the ISS completely on their own. This is another sign of where AI is heading. Not just machines that follow commands, but machines that can move safely through tight, complicated spaces on their own. A machine-learning warm start system helped NASA's Astro B robot plan routes 50 to 60% faster while still maintaining safety. It was tested across 18 trajectories on the International Space Station, and it marked the first time AI was used to control a robot on the ISS. Once robots can do that in a place like the ISS, the military applications start to feel pretty obvious. Number 2. AI predicts Earth events from orbit before they happen. This is where AI starts to feel almost eerie. It's not just spotting disasters, it's getting better at predicting them. The FireSat constellation is designed to deliver global high-resolution wildfire imagery every 20 minutes and detect fires about the size of a classroom, which is roughly 1/400th the size current satellites can detect. Another system cut response times by 20 to 30 minutes and helped contain fires at 23 acres with no loss of life. After the 2024 Taiwan earthquake, AI mapped 7,000 landslides in 3 hours. And one model correctly forecast 14 of 15 earthquakes during a 30-week trial. Number 1. AI is managing satellites without human input. And this might be the clearest picture of where all this is headed. AI is now managing machines in orbit with almost no human input. In just 6 months, Gen 2 Starlink satellites carried out 84,990 propulsion maneuvers, mostly to avoid debris or other satellites. Across the full constellation, that number hit 144,404 collision avoidance maneuvers in the same period. That is a completely different scale from anything satellites used to handle before. SpaceX also tightened its collision threshold from 1 in 10,000 to 1 in 100,000, and later to 3 in 10 million. AI is no longer just assisting systems. It's actively keeping them alive. If you made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. And if you're curious about how fast AI and research workflows are evolving behind the scenes, you can also check out Overseer OS in the description. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.